Hi everybody, welcome to Vamp by S&M. I'm Manpreet and I am bringing you an edition of Eyebrows this episode. Why eyebrows? I get asked all the time about my eyebrows. How long does it take to do them? How do they stay so consistent over the years? Do I microblade? Do I wax, thread, etc.? And the answer to all that is no, I do not microblade. I haven't done so all my life. I hear really good things about it, so props to you if you do use that, but I don't use that for my eyebrows. I don't wax and thread regularly, but I do it about once a year just to make sure that I get rid of any of the stubborn hair that I aren't able to remove myself. But I am a regular tweezer user. I tweeze my eyebrows, I'd say once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, depending on the growth of my hair, which varies from winter seasons and summer seasons. Summer seasons I tend to grow more hair on my eyebrows, and winter seasons I guess it just freezes with the temperature. So it varies on that, but it's very easy maintenance. I think it takes about 5 to 7 minutes, no more than 10 minutes in the mornings before getting ready for work to get my eyebrows done alone. And it's a very easy process depending on the products you use. It's just as long as they're not like heavy, thick products. So the two that I'm going to be using for this video demonstration, one is the NYX Fill and Fluff pencil. I just learned of this pencil about 3 months ago and I absolutely swear by it. It's very easy to use. It's all in the pressure of your hand, light strokes rather than high pressure outlining of your eyebrows. So on one side you'll see that it's like a gel eyeliner. And that's the texture, pretty much how a gel eyeliner would go on the one that has a pencil format. And then on the other side, it's kind of like a Huda Beauty like brush. This is the fluffer. This is used to kind of just ease out the outline that your other side of the pencil creates on your eyebrows. And then the second product that I'm going to be using is a eyeshadow palette. This is the 25A Morphe Palette. And I'm going to demonstrate how to use the black eyeshadow along with the dark brown shade kind of together to give you that blended, more natural look. Even if you have like jet black hair like myself, I still notice that if you use like strong black eyeshadow, it doesn't give you that natural, light, subtle look. It gives you that very dark, overpowering look, and you don't want your eyebrows to be darker or the same as your eyeliner, like if you use black eyeliner, because it has a very loud tone on your face, whereas if you blend it well and you use a little bit of browns into your blacks, you will find that your eyebrows are not overpowering, but they're definitely friendly and more playful, more natural looking that way. So we'll do those two demonstrations and some tools that I'll be using along the way. A mascara brush, I use this when I'm tweezing my eyebrows. I use this before I start filling my eyebrows. It just helps to make sure that my hair are in the right direction. It cleans out any residue I may have on my eyebrows. I use the Morphe M421. This is a concealer brush, and it usually has a little bit of concealer left on it prior to getting my eyebrows done, and I usually just use whatever's left on it to clean up underneath my eyebrows, over on top, and in the inner parts of my eyebrows to give it that crisp straight line throughout. And then when I'm using my eyeshadow palette, I use the eyeliner brush. For those that use a gel eyeliner, you could dab this into it and draw your eyeliner. I'm going to use that for my eyebrows. So very simple, easy tools to use. I will be doing one with the pencil, one with the eyeshadow, and then you have a bit of a demo of what that looks like, and you can see for yourself, and of course comment on which one works better for you.
Okay, so to start off, you want to go ahead and take your mascara wand, also known as a spoolie brush, and brush all of your hairs in a upward motion. This will help better define where you're going to trace your eyebrows. And then you want to take your NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow pencil and start by defining out your arch of your eyebrow as well as the bottom line of your eyebrow. And the key to this is using a light hand and very soft strokes. You don't want any harsh lines. And then going in with the opposite side of the pencil, using the brush to fluff and blend in those lines to your natural hairs. After doing so, if you still feel it's uneven or some spots need a little bit more filling in to do, you can go ahead and go back with the pencil side and fill in any spots. And then to finish off the look, you want to go ahead and just take your concealer brush so you can clean up any excess, and there you go. And now moving on to the eyeshadow technique, you want to go ahead and take any eyeliner brush and dip it into the dark brown and a bit of black eyeshadow. And same thing, you want to go ahead and trace out your eyebrows, so starting off with the arch of your eyebrow and then working your way to define the bottom part of your eyebrow. Again, you want to use a very light hand and soft, small strokes. And then you want to work your way into filling in your eyebrows and defining the inner part. And again, to end off the look, you want to go ahead and just take the concealer brush and clean up any excess and to define your eyebrows even more.
And there you have it, some tips and tricks around eyebrows. I hope you found this valuable and something that you will try. If you do decide to try any of these techniques or any other techniques, please feel free to leave a comment. Please do like and share and subscribe for the channel if this was useful, and I look forward to hearing feedback from you. Until next time, it's Manpreet signing out.